Let me ask you something. How many times have you said to yourself, tomorrow I'll finally fix my routine? So you grab your phone, set the alarm for 5 a.m. determined. This time, you actually mean it. You imagine yourself studying for hours, exercising, reading, maybe even cooking a healthy breakfast. But then tomorrow comes. Your hand finds the snooze button before your eyes even open. You scroll, you delay, and suddenly it's night again. Sound familiar? If this sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. Every student struggles with routines. But here's the good news. Once you master your daily routine, everything changes. More focus, more energy, and even more free time for yourself. This is the perfect daily routine. Think about your phone. Without updates, without apps running smoothly, it becomes useless. Your brain is the same. Without proper rest, energy, and structure, your mind crashes. You're running on empty. Students don't fail because they're not smart. Most fail because they don't know how to structure their time. They either overwork and burn out, or underwork and fall behind. That's why a balanced daily routine is like your operating system. It keeps you consistent, sharp, and stress-free. Discipline beats motivation. You won't always feel like studying, but if your day is designed right, your routine will carry you through. Most students set 10 alarms and still wake up at 9, but you don't need to torture yourself with a 4 a.m. routine. Waking up between 5:30 and 7 is the sweet spot. The world is quiet, no notifications, no noise, just you. No one asking you for anything, it's just you and your thoughts. Protect this time. Here's the mistake most students make. The very first thing they do after waking up is check their phone. Don't. Instead, get up, stretch your arms, open your window, and let natural light hit your eyes. It signals your brain to wake up naturally. Drink water, and just breathe for 2 minutes. No rushing, no panic. How you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Start calm, and you'll feel in control. If you start with calm, you'll feel in control all day. Your environment shapes your mindset before you think a single thought. Most students think they don't have time to exercise in the morning, but I'm not asking you to hit the gym, just 5 minutes, stretching, a few push-ups, walking around your room. Think of it like turning on the Wi-Fi before you start browsing. Your body is the router, your brain is the device. If the body doesn't wake up, the brain won't connect. Light movement improves blood flow, more oxygen to your brain. You'll actually understand and remember what you study instead of just staring at the page. Keep breakfast simple. A banana and oats, eggs and toast, even a smoothie. Your brain eats too. Don't send it to school on an empty stomach. And drink water. Dehydration feels almost exactly like tiredness. So the next time you think you're lazy, maybe your body is just screaming, "Give me water." You're not tired anymore. You're ready. That's the transition most students skip, and it changes everything. Now comes the most powerful part of your morning, studying. Your brain is sharpest right now. Don't waste it. Use this time for your hardest subject. Phone down, no multitasking, no background noise, just deep, focused work. If you struggle with math, solve problems now. 1 focused hour in the morning equals 3 tired hours at night. Use the Pomodoro method, 50 minutes of pure focus, 10 minutes break. That's it, simple, powerful, proven. During your break, don't touch your phone. Stand up, stretch, drink water, look outside. Give your brain actual rest. Not more stimulation. Actual rest. Your brain isn't a machine. Even machines need rest to work well. Treat your mind with kindness. Most students sit in class, nod their heads, write a few things, but later nothing really sticks. Here's the trick. Don't be a passive learner. Take notes in your own words. Your brain remembers better when you process the information first. Ask questions. Even small questions can clarify concepts and make the lesson actually interesting. After class, spend just 2 to 3 minutes writing what you understood. This little habit is like learning something twice, without extra effort. Active learning is like planting seeds. The more care and attention you give, and the stronger your understanding grows. What most students do is eat a heavy, oily lunch, and then crash. Heavy meals put your body in digestion mode. Your brain slows down and suddenly you feel sleepy. Eat light. A small portion of protein, some veggies or fruit, and water. Avoid sugary drinks or fried food. They give a quick spike, then a big crash right after. After lunch, give your brain a small recharge, a short power nap, 15 to 20 minutes. Don't overdo it or you'll feel groggy. Set the timer, trust it. If naps aren't your thing, go for a quick walk outside. Even 10 minutes of fresh air wakes up your mind and body completely. Think of this as hitting the reset button. Your brain has been working for hours. It deserves a mini break before tackling more. Now comes the tricky part. The post-lunch afternoon slump. Energy drops, attention drifts, and it's tempting to just give up on the day. Afternoon is perfect for hands-on, practice-based work. not heavy theory. Solve problems, do past papers, write essays. Active doing, not passive reading. Revise with flashcards, repeat, space it out. Your brain is slower in the afternoon, so dein Weinzustimbad. So use repetition instead of concentration. Keep afternoon tasks light and practical. Organize, summarize, apply. Don't fight your biology, work with it. After a long day of classes and study, your body feels heavy and your brain is completely fried. That's normal, you've been running all day. That's exactly why even 20 to 30 minutes of movement can completely change how you feel. Go for a short run, a brisk walk, just move. Even dancing to your favorite songs in your room counts. Exercise sharpens your memory, reduces stress, boosts energy, and improves your mood. Students who move in the evening sleep better and wake up with more focus the next day. You'll feel the difference immediately. After moving your body, it's time to move your mind differently. Do something fun and creative. Draw, write, play an instrument, work on something you love. Creativity acts like a reset button for your brain. It prevents burnout, keeps you motivated, and makes studying feel less like a chore. It's not wasted time. It's restoration. A spark of creativity in the evening keeps burnout away. Your brain needs play as much as it needs work. Now that your body and mind are relaxed, it's time for light revision. But remember, this is not the time for your toughest subject. Review your notes from earlier in the day. Organize, revisit, don't cram, just gently reconnect with what you already learned. If you do this consistently, by the time night comes, you'll feel accomplished rather than guilty. You showed up today, that matters. Before you hit the pillow, spend 5 to 10 minutes planning tomorrow. Write down 3 to 5 specific tasks you absolutely want to complete, not vague things, precise ones. Your brain constantly thinks about unfinished tasks. That's why even when you lie down, you can't stop thinking about everything you haven't done. When you write things down, your brain relaxes. It's like telling your mind, I got this, you can rest now. No screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Your phone emits blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That's why you scroll until 2 a.m. even when you know you shouldn't. Replace screen time with something calming. Read a light book or an interesting article. Let your eyes rest on words that don't demand anything from you. Or listen to soothing music or a podcast. Let your nervous system wind all the way down. Your brain will thank you in the morning. Never sacrifice sleep for study. Sleep is when your brain converts everything you studied into actual memory. Think of your brain like a computer. Studying loads the data, but sleep is the save and process button. Cut sleep short and you're literally throwing away your hard work. Stop comparing your study hours to others. Some people claim they study 14 hours a day. Most of them are lying. Focus on quality, not quantity. Consistency beats intensity, every single time. It's better to study 4 focused hours every day for a month than 12 hours for 2 days and then burn out completely. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every student fails at sticking to routines at first. The key is simple. Restart the next day. Don't give up completely. So there you have it. Morning equals deep focus. Afternoon equals practice and application. Evening equals movement and creativity. Night equals reset and recharge. Follow this for just 30 days, and you'll see the difference. More focus, less stress, better results in exams and in life. Remember, discipline today becomes